Hello, guys. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes. Hope everything is well, family is well, your health is well. In these particular tough conditions, we need to take care each other. So let's continue the study. And today we'll discuss some short and question and answer for accounting, which is very much important for your sure shot success in your competitive examinations. So let's start. The first question is the document certifying the purchase or sale of goods or any monetary transaction is called dash. The document certifying the purchase or sale of goods or any monetary transaction is called dash, and the answer is voucher. Voucher is the first document which is utilized or used to certify the purchase or sale or any transaction related to any monetary transaction. Good. Next question. The thing which is purchased and sold in the business is called dash. The thing which is purchased and sold in the business is called dash, and the answer is goods. Whatever purchased and sold in the business is called goods. Third, the things or properties which helps in smooth functioning of the business and which are owned by the business are called dash of the business. I repeat, the things or properties which helps in smooth functioning of the business and which are owned by the business are called dash of the business, and the answer is asset. Assets are the things which helps in smooth functioning of the business, and it is owned by the business as well. In certain circumstances, it is, if it is not owned, then it is controlled by the business, like leasehold assets. Right? Next question. The unsold goods left at the end of the year is called dash. The unsold goods left at the end of the year is called dash. That is closing stock. Closing stock is the unsold stock left at the end of the year. Next, dash represents the excess of assets over liabilities. Dash represents the excess of asset over liabilities. That is, what is the asset minus liabilities? And the answer is capital. Next question. Trade discount is given on credit transactions only. Is it true? Whether trade discount is given on the credit transactions only. Wrong. This is the false answer. Next question. Furniture purchased by a trader dealing in furniture will be treated as purchase for him. Furniture purchased by a trader who deals in furniture will be treated as a purchase for him. Correct or wrong? It's true. Next point. The cash is the fixed asset of the business. Is the cash is fixed asset of the business? No, it is a current asset. The goods invested at the commencement of the business is called closing stock. The goods invested at the commencement of the business is called closing stock. Wrong. It's called opening stock. Next question. Any legal activity performed for earning profit is called dash. Any legal activity performed for earning profit is called dash. That is business. Next question. The head under which transaction pertaining to a person, institution, firm, expenses, assets, etc. is recorded is called account. The head under which the transaction pertaining to a person, institution, firm, expenses, asset, etc. is recorded is called account. Account, that means you are going to open a respective ledger for the respective accounts. Correct? Next question. The system in which only one aspect of the transaction is recorded is called dash. The system in which only one aspect of the transaction is recorded is called dash. Only one, that means either debit or credit. In single entry system, only one aspect is recorded. That's why it's called single entry system. Next question. The concession given on the cash transaction is called. The concession given on the cash transaction is called dash. It's called cash discount. Next, which concept denotes that existence of business is separate from its owner? Which concept denotes that the existence of business is separate from its owner? And the answer is business entity concept. Business entity concept says the business is different from its owner and business itself a legal entity. Next question. On what basis accounting principles are developed? On what basis accounting principles are developed? And the answer is accounting conventions and concepts are the basis on which accounting principles are developed. Next, the rules and conventions of the accounting commonly referred to as principle. Who said it? The rules and conventions of accounting are commonly referred as principle. Who said it? And the answer is R.N. Anthony. R.N. Anthony says the rules and conventions of accounting are commonly referred as principles. Right, guys? Let's go ahead. When was the Accounting Standard Board formed? When was the Accounting Standard Board formed in India? And the answer is 21st April 1977. I repeat, 21st April 1977 is a time or date when Indian Accounting Standard Board has been formed. Next, dash aspects are reflected in every transaction. How many aspects? Debit and credit. Two aspects are affected in every transaction. Next question. Dash has been applied on accountants by Accounting Standard Board, law or professional institutions. Dash has been applied on accountants by the Accounting Standard Board, law on professional institutions. That's called Code of Conduct. Code of Conduct exactly applies on the accountants or the law or the professional institutions to make sure people will not do any illegal work, anything which is not accepted and good for the society. Let's go to the next section. The existence of business is different from its dash. The existence of business is different from its dash. The existence of business is different from its owner because business itself a separate legal entity. So guys, we have completed the first set of this question, short questions, and now I'll request go to the description box, see there is a gift for you, explore the gift. It's possibly going to change your life, your thought and your future. It is a great opportunity. I request that explore it to the maximum. Any question, communicate on my mobile number, on my email ID given over there. We'll happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much. Share these MCQs to all deserving students and help your friends, your family people to grow. Many thanks. Wish you all the best. Good luck.